All right, guys, welcome in. I want to make this special little video about, we're going to do an unboxing today. We have the not so new, but still so good, Sony A6400 body only, in which I picked up from Amazon. And it came with a bunch of goodies, and it looks really cool. But we're going to unbox it right now on camera. Actually shooting from the A6400, and the B cam is a Canon M50. So here we go. Let me display it a little bit more. Here we go. All right, cool. It comes with one of these straps. A Sony battery, a charger, cool thing is I also have a charging dock for these batteries too, so I don't have to actually plug it in. I guess this is something you put on the eye thing. So basically, let me say this: I'm not an expert with camera stuff, so I don't know all the technical terms or anything like that. So if I call it something weird, don't laugh too hard. All right, cool. Here's the actual camera itself. We'll take it out of here. There it is. The Sony A6400. It's pretty small. It's smaller than I expected it to be, because my friend has one and it's all decked out and stuff. Here's like the sensor. This is a APS-C sensor from Sony, which that pretty much means it's a crop sensor camera. I also have a lens that I picked up from my friend, actually, and it's the it comes with some of them. You can buy the camera with some of these lenses that it already comes with. This is a 18 to 135 f 3.5 to 5.6. So we'll try it, see what it looks like on the camera itself. There we go. That makes it obviously a lot bigger. So yeah, it feels pretty cool. I like it. I haven't actually turned it on yet, but the cool thing about this camera, I've done a little bit of research on it, is for if you're recording things, vlog style or whatever, the camera, the actual display flips up so you can see yourself. And make sure you're in the shot and stuff like that, without any kind of use of. You don't have to have an external monitor for this camera, so it's kind of cool. One of the big draws to it for a lot of people who vlog and want to use this camera to be able to take videos of them. Another cool thing about this camera is it doesn't have a recording limit, so it doesn't have the 30-minute record time where it shuts off automatically. You can record it for as long as you need until you run out of battery or it overheats, which I don't think this camera really overheats that much from what I can see from different videos, or it takes a little bit longer for it to overheat. If you got this standing on a tripod or something for desk videos like this, you can literally just plug this in to an outlet and it'll stay charged. But if you're doing something like live streaming, something like a dummy battery would be good for this. I purchased a dummy battery. So all in all, it feels great. It feels great in your hand. It's the grip isn't like super deep, but neither was my M50, so I don't really have anything to compare it to. That's what I've seen some people say. The A6400 has a little bit deeper of a grip, but you can also buy cages that come with a deeper grip. I also purchased this for the camera. The thing about the camera is when you flip this screen up, the mic actually goes right here in front of the camera, in front of the display. So it's kind of a pain, but you can buy just one of these little brackets here and put it on there, and you can change the positioning of where you want the mic to be placed. So that's a great option for people who want to see themselves in the display, obviously, and a lot of the reasons why probably some people buy this camera. I also picked up a Peak Design camera straps. The packaging is really nice, and I like it. Comes with those cool little dongle thingies. Hangs off the side of the camera. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's the unboxing for that was body only. That was body only, and I had a lens that I bought off of my friend. I like it, but I'm gonna give you guys a full review of it after I use it for a little bit and get used to the settings and all that stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, by the way, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because that helps me out greatly, probably more than you know. And hit the subscribe button as well. Turn the notification bell on so you can see other things that I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing. See you in the next one. Bye.